Welcome to Learn English Easily channel. I'm Ramya Suresh. I'm back to see about structure for negative sentence of simple present tense. In last video, we have learned about the general structure for simple present tense. Today, we are going to learn how to convert the positive sentence into negative form by adding helping verb along with the negative word not. Let us see. So I said that to convert a given sentence into a negative sentence, we need helping verb. If there is no helping verb in the sentence, we have to add the helping word in that sentence. So for that, in simple present tense, we are going to use the do helping verb, do verbs. So we all know that there are three do verbs. First one is do, does, and did. So these three verbs are called as do verbs. So these are called as helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. So we use only do and does in present tense. We use the verb do when the verb is followed by a plural subject. For example, sometimes it will be followed by the first person singular pronoun as the subject I. So we are going to use the helping verb do when we have the subject I. We, you, they, children, parents, Ram and Sam. So these are the few examples in order to identify. So these are the examples of plural pronouns and plural subject. So when we have a sentence begins with this subject, to convert that into a negative form, surely we must add only the helping verb do plus not. So where we can use the helping verb does. So when a sentence begins with a singular subject, the third person singular, he, she, it, Ram, Sita, one of my friends, my friend, my father, my brother, sister, Priya, Ria. So when we have the singular subject or singular pronoun, we have to add, to convert a sentence into negative, we have to add the helping verb does plus negative word not. And we can write as does not or doesn't. We can also use contracted form of does not. Next, this is the structure for singular subject, using singular subject. Subject, if we have a singular subject, it must takes doesn't. Doesn't is the contracted form of does not. And after the negative word, we have to use only the main verb. That means the V1 form of the verb. Eat, write, play, sing, dance, command, order. So we have to use only V1 form of the verb. So remaining part of the sentence remains same. We call it as an extension. Here this slide is an example for using singular subject. See the first example. She eats mangoes. This is the affirmative form because we have no negative word. How will we convert into negative word? We have to say that she don't like mango. She doesn't like mango. So to convert a sentence into negative, we don't have any helping verb in the first sentence. She eats mango. So we are just pulling out the helping verb which is combined with the main verb. So eats, it has the helping verb does. Does plus eat equal to eats. So we are just pulling out the helping verb does out of the main verb. Then the main verb become eat. So I said that we have to add the negative word not along with the helping verb. So we added in the second. She doesn't eat mangoes. So here see the picture. The girl holds a plate of mangoes, but she raised his hand by saying that she won't eat that. Look at the picture. The boy who has a book. What he is doing? Isn't he writing? No, he doesn't write. What was the action doing by him? He reads. So look at this second picture. So in which subject we can learn about light? It is in science. So my father doesn't teach math. That means my father is not teaching math subject. He is teaching physics. He is a physics teacher. So look at the granny is sitting in the park. So I said that my granny doesn't go to temple. So she is at park. She is not at the temple. So in order to say that the thing was not done by that subject, we use negative word in a sentence. So always a negative word used to combine only with the helping verb. So the main verb which follows after the negative word, we have to use only V1 form of the verb. So this is the sentence structure for singular subject. The singular subject, it must be followed by the helping verb doesn't plus V1 form of the verb. Next, let us learn about the sentence structure for using plural subject. So let us see the structure. If we have plural subject, the subject plus do plus not. The contracted form of do not is don't. So the plural subject follows by the word negative word don't, do not, don't or do not. And I said that after the negative word, the main verb should take its V1 form and object or extension of the subject. Let us see the first example. I write a letter. So this is the positive sentence and we have the subject, the first person singular. So in the last slide, we learned that when we have the subject as the first person singular, we have to use the helping verb do. So here, look at the first picture. Once upon a time, I had written, we can't able to write these kind of words in letter. So I want to say that I'm not writing a letter. So I say that I don't write a letter. So we have the first one singular I. So we have to use the helping verb do. And what is the word we have to use to convert the sentence into negative word? We are just simply going to add the negative word not. And what is the contracted form of do not? Don't. I don't write a letter. And next, look at the picture. The boys who are playing the drum, they don't play guitar. That means saying that they are not playing guitar, they are playing drum. See the picture where the two girls are playing football. Are they playing tennis? No, they are not playing tennis. So Priya and Reena don't play tennis, but they are playing football. Parents don't attend the function. So parents is a plural form. That means that they are not attending the function. I think you are clear. So when a sentence begins with a singular subject, we have to use only the helping verb does. And when a sentence begins with a plural subject, to convert that sentence into negative form, we have to use the helping verb do. To converting a sentence into negative, we are simply adding the negative word not along with the helping verb. We have to use the negative word not only with the helping verb, not with the main verb. Don't write, don't play, don't sing, don't sing, don't dance, doesn't read. So these are the forms that we are using in a negative form. Doesn't play, doesn't sing, doesn't eat, doesn't compare, doesn't order. These are the things. Here, I just given one more slide in order to explain that sometimes we don't have the main verb. Instead of that, we have be verbs. How will you convert that be verbs into a negative form? So this slide is going to speak about making a negative sentence with be verbs. So here too we are going to add only the word, negative word not along with the helping verb. Let us see the example. I'm fine. This is a past sentence. If I say that I am not fine, how will you say I am not fine? So already we have the helping verb am. So we are just simply going to add not. Am not. What is the contracted form of am plus not? Ain't. I ain't fine. California is in America. This is a passive sentence. How will you convert that into a negative? So I just give an example. California is not in Russia. Framing negative sentence with be verb. So here I have given few example. Just try it. You are simply going to add the negative word along with the helping verb. It is too easy because I just highlighted the helping verbs with pink color. Just try and post it in comment box. Here it is a slide in order to convert the given sentence into negative form using the helping verb. Because see, just compare between the last slide and this slide. In last slide, in a sentence, it contains a be verb. But in this slide, the subject follows only with the main verb. we don't have helping verb here. So we are just going to pull the helping verb out of the main verb. Let us see. I just going to read examples and I say answer for only 2 questions. Other 4 or 5, just try it. It will give you experience to learn it. Children understand lesson. Simple present tense. What is the subject here? Is it singular, plural? Plural. So the do verb is added in that. Children do understand English. Is it a negative sentence? No. We have to add negative word along with the helping verb do. Children don't understand English. It mixes the sand and the water. It is a singular, so we are just pulling the helping verb does out of the word mix. It became mix. Does plus mix. How will it convert into negative? We are going to add the negative word not with the helping verb does. It doesn't mix the sand and the water. So remaining there are 5 more sentences. I just read the question alone. You try. He tries very hard. She enjoys playing the piano. We cook every day. Rani catches the train. I'm good. Just convert this sentence into negative form by applying the helping verb as per the number of the subject. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you again.